Hey, what's up? If your car door lock isn't working, don't worry. Let's get it fixed together. First, make sure it isn't just the key fob battery. Try locking and unlocking with both the remote and the physical key. If the key fob doesn't work, swap out its battery. Sometimes that's all it takes. If the key turns but the lock doesn't move, your lock cylinder might be stuck. Grab some spray lubricant, WD-40 works great. Spray it into the keyhole, then work the key in and out a few times. Often this frees things up. Still stuck? Let's check the inside. Carefully remove the door panel using a screwdriver or trim tool. Look for screws near the handle and armrest. Pry off the panel gently and watch for clips. Now peek inside, look for any disconnected rods or loose cables connected to the lock. If you spot one, snap it back into place. If a plastic clip broke, you can get a replacement at any auto parts store. If the power lock button isn't working, check the fuse box for a blown fuse. Your manual will show which one controls the locks. Replace it with one of the same rating if needed. Once you've made your fix, reattach the door panel and test the lock. If it's still not working, the actuator might be bad, and that's a bigger job, but you can do it with some patience and the right part. And that's it. Step by step, you'll have your lock working again. If you need more help, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments. Good luck!